Welcome back to the Muse and Greg. Make sure you like and subscribe for more information and helpful videos like this. Today we're looking at how to change the cabin air filter on a Gen 4 Mitsubishi Pajero. This is an NW model 2012 or Platinum. They don't all have a cabin air filter, but this one does. So I'm going to show you where to find it. So really simple. Open the glove box. Then you just have to pull the glove box the rest of the way down. So to get this out, all you have to do is just pull the glove box out. You can see the clip now until it clears the edge. It's not difficult to do. Pull the other side out and then the whole glove compartment drops down. So I'll just show you that from a bit further back so you can see how to do it. One there, and it drops down like that. And then right behind there is the cabin air filter, which is this one right along here. As you can see, there's just two screws to take that out. So let's take that out and see what it looks like. Alright, got those screws out now, and this one, as far as I know, has never been changed. Well, look at that. That's clean, that's dirty. This is full of outback red dirt here in Australia. We've been travelling through the outback and the bush and it's filthy. So get that one out and the new one just goes straight back in its place. This is the replacement unit we got. The model number for this one for the Pajero is RCA252C. Got this one from Repco for about 50 bucks. Super Cheap Auto also carry them sometimes, but they didn't have stock when I went in there. So as you can see, that's just in a bag. Just open that one up. We've got that one open. There's the new one. As you can see, new compared to old, chalk and cheese. Now the thing to make sure is that you get the airflow direction correct. So you see on the back of here, a little logo that says airflow. So just make sure you put it in the right way. Then I think this has got to be folded back based on what the other one looked like. I think that little edge needs to be folded around, and that just slides back in there. And the rest just a matter of putting the two screws back in and you're in business. Hope that helps. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.